Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide columns in Excel. Let's get started. There are more ways to hide a column or columns in a spreadsheet. Here, I'll introduce two of them. Let's crack on with the first one. First, highlight the column you'd like to hide. This can be done by clicking on the bar of letters and selecting the relevant column. If you wish to hide more columns at once, press the Shift key and click on each of the columns you want to hide. If the columns you want to hide are not consecutive, meaning they do not line up next to each other, use the Control key instead of Shift. Once you've selected all the necessary columns, use the right-click button to see the Hide option. The hidden columns are not visible in the table on the screen. They also won't be printed out if you were to do so with a spreadsheet. But they've not been deleted. You can unhide them anytime. Alright, let's undo the changes now and have a look at the other way to hide columns too. Select the columns again. This time by dragging. Then go to the Home tab, Cells section, and use the Format button to get the Format menu. Find the Hide and Hide options, and select Hide Columns. And the work's done. To see how to unhide columns in Excel, watch our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.